Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, The English Castle. In today's video, we are going to learn about idioms. Once again, let me explain what are idioms. Idioms are expressions whose hidden meanings are different. When I say I'm over the moon, which means I am very happy. So here, it's not that I've actually gone over the moon, but the phrase means that I'm very, very happy. So these are called idioms. So today, the topic for the idiom is colors. I have chosen this topic because there are many idioms on colors. I caught him red-handed. So here, caught red-handed is an idiom which means to caught somebody doing something which is wrong. I caught him red handed stealing. I caught him stealing red handed. Then to see red, that means to get angry. Out of the blue, that means out of nowhere. She called me out of the blue and said I was invited for the wedding. Out of the blue, another sentence would be she sent me an invite out of the blue, out of nowhere. That means I'm not in touch with this person and I got this call or I got this opportunity. Black and white, something which is right or wrong, or something which is written in, it's either right or wrong. Another one is black sheep. It is used generally for someone who has brought disgrace to the family. He is the black sheep of the family. That means he has brought some disgrace or bad word to the family or bad name to the family. A golden opportunity. This means a very good opportunity. This is a golden opportunity for me to earn money. This is a golden opportunity for me to fly to US. That means this is a very good opportunity that I can encash this or I should take it. White elephant, something which is too expensive, something which is a waste of money. So I would say it's like a white BMW car is a white elephant for us because we cannot afford its service. So here something which we cannot afford is called a white elephant. Sorry, I would say white elephant means something which is a waste of money, not something which we can't afford, but it's a waste of money. Tickled pink, to be really happy. Green with envy. She was green with envy when she got to know that I am buying a new car. She was green with envy when she got to know that I am doing very good in my job. That means she was extremely jealous. To be yellow, to be a coward. Oh, don't be yellow and do the act. Tell her. So here it means to be scared, to be coward. It's a white lie. Something which is used to protect someone. A lie is something which is used to protect somebody or said to protect someone. I told white lies so that my brother could be saved from the punishment. I told a white lie to protect my son. So here, white lie means to say a lie to protect somebody. To beat black and blue. That means somebody has been bruised very badly. The police beat the mob, black and blue. So here, today we have learned few of the idiomatic phrases. In the coming episodes, you will get to learn more. Keep waiting, be connected to the channel, and contact to us if you are interested for the classes. We cater to all age groups, age 5 onwards. So happy learning. Bye.